Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of street photography and exploring the top 5 Sony cameras that are perfect for capturing those candid moments on the streets. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these cameras will help you elevate your street photography game. Let's get started. Our first choice for this topic is Sony A7S Mark III. It is a powerhouse full-frame mirrorless camera designed for both videographers and photographers, especially those who thrive in low-light conditions. Featuring a 12.1 MP Dslr sensor, it excels in high sensitivity, delivering stunning image quality with minimal noise even at high ISO settings. The A7S III boasts exceptional autofocus performance with 759 phase detection points and real-time eye autofocus, ensuring sharp focus on subjects. It offers impressive video capabilities, including 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second and 16-bit RAW output, making it a favorite among content creators. With its robust build, intuitive controls, and fully articulating touchscreen, the A7S III is a versatile tool for capturing stunning visuals in any environment. Our second choice for this topic is Sony A7C. A compact full-frame mirrorless camera that combines advanced imaging capabilities with a lightweight design, making it an excellent choice for both enthusiasts and professionals on the go. Featuring a 24.2 MP Dslr sensor, the A7C delivers stunning image quality with impressive low-light performance. Its fast hybrid autofocus system, with 693 phase detection points, ensures quick and accurate focus on subjects, while the 10 frames per second continuous shooting allows for capturing fast action. The camera's versatile video features include 4K recording and various creative profiles, making it ideal for videographers as well. With a fully articulating touchscreen and a sleek body, the A7C is designed for easy handling and portability, making it perfect for street photography and travel. Our third choice for this topic is Sony A7C Mark II. Offering an impressive blend of compact design and advanced features for both photographers and videographers. This full-frame mirrorless camera boasts a 24.2 MP Dslr sensor, delivering exceptional image quality with excellent dynamic range and low-light performance. The upgraded autofocus system includes 759 phase detection points and advanced real-time eye autofocus, ensuring precise focus on moving subjects. With a continuous shooting speed of up to 10 frames per second, it captures fast action effortlessly. The A7C II also enhances video capabilities, supporting 4K recording with various creative profiles. Its fully articulating touchscreen and lightweight build make it perfect for vlogging, street photography, and travel, providing versatility and ease of use in any shooting scenario. Our fourth choice for this topic is Sony A7CR. It is an innovative full-frame mirrorless camera that combines high-resolution imaging with an ultra-compact design, making it an ideal choice for professional photographers and content creators. Featuring a remarkable 61 MP Dslr sensor, the A7CR delivers stunning detail and dynamic range, perfect for landscape, portrait, and commercial photography. Its advanced autofocus system includes 693 phase detection points and sophisticated real-time eye autofocus, ensuring sharp focus on subjects, even in challenging conditions. The camera supports 4K video recording and offers various creative shooting modes, catering to both stills and video needs. With a lightweight build, a fully articulating touchscreen, and enhanced connectivity options, the A7CR is designed for versatility and ease of use, making it a powerful tool for any creative endeavor. Our last choice for this topic is Sony A7 Mark IV. A versatile full-frame mirrorless camera that caters to both photographers and videographers with its impressive features and performance. Equipped with a 33 MP Dslr sensor, it offers a remarkable balance of resolution and low-light capability, delivering stunning image quality across various shooting scenarios. The camera features an advanced autofocus system with 759 phase detection points and real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, ensuring precise focus on moving subjects. For videographers, the A7 IV supports 4K video recording up to 60 frames per second, with 10-bit 422 internal recording and various cinematic profiles, including S-Cinetone. Its robust build, enhanced ergonomics, and fully articulating touchscreen make it user-friendly for a range of applications, from street photography to professional filmmaking. With dual card slots and improved battery life, the A7 IV is designed to meet the demands of any creative professional. So there you have it. Our top 5 Sony cameras for street photography. Each of these cameras has its own unique strengths, so think about what features matter most to you. Whether you prefer a compact design or full-frame capabilities, Sony has something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which camera you're most excited to try out. Happy shooting!